If you want to examine a simple columnar lining epithelium with goblet cells, you can use a section of duodenum or any segment actually of the small or large intestine. So in this case, we have the duodenum. So you have to focus on the central part or the mucosa of the duodenum. And this is the lumen, and it actually extends here in between the villi. So what we have to do is focus on these structures here, 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 here. So it is best to again use 400x magnification. And focus on one of these structures. So here you can see these are your simple columnar lining epithelium with goblet cells. So these structures, and the lumen is here. And so the basement membrane is somewhere here and here. So here you can see the typical columnar cells, while here are your goblet cells, which have wider apical parts and they look like bubbles. And here you can tell that the cells are columnar because the nuclei are near the basement membrane and there's still excess space for cytoplasm on the top. This other tissue here is not epithelial tissue anymore. It's already connective tissue.